Best multi-cooker.
The new KitchenAid multicooker delivers amazing versatility and consistent culinary results. Over 10 cooking methods, including 4 step-by-step modes, simplify cooking using precise and consistent even heat technology. Sauté or steam vegetables or chicken without additional cookware. Simmer a bisque or sauce to perfection one day, then slow-cook savory cassoulet the next. Start a busy day with Irish porridge and berry compote, and finish it with a perfectly seared melt-in-your-mouth roast. It's one cooking vessel with amazing versatility. The optional stir tower can mix, flip, stir, and incorporate fresh ingredients at the start. Stir intermittently or throughout the entire cooking process. Prepare risottos, soups, rice, and even yogurt with one button, as your multi-cooker simplifies complex cooking sequences and temperatures for you. Or make dishes like coconut curry shrimp and vegetables effortlessly. Discover how easy gourmet cooking can be with your KitchenAid multi-cooker.
We believe cooking can be easy for everyone. That's why we designed the Chef IQ Smart Cooker, a quicker, better way to create elevated meals. With a seamlessly integrated app and next-generation technologies, Chef IQ will guide you into the future of cooking. Discovering and creating delicious meals has never been easier or faster.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah. With a growing library of integrated, guided cooking recipes, you can meal prep at the push of a button.
What's next?
It says rosemary and lemon.
Okay.
The Smart Cooker creates meals up to 70% quicker than traditional cooking methods, with time-saving features like the built-in scale and auto pressure release. At Chef IQ, we're dedicated to helping you discover your inner chef from start to finish.
Hey!
Explore a better way to cook and enjoy more time with the people who matter most, while your Smart Cooker just keeps getting smarter.
Cook delicious meals up to 70% faster with the 10-quart Crock-Pot Express Easy Release Pressure Cooker. No need to fuss with oven mitts and kitchen utensils to keep your hand away from the hot steam. The Easy Release steam dial makes releasing pressure simple and stress-free. Combine 9 common kitchen appliances in one. Easily prepare any recipe on the menu using one versatile appliance. You can even sterilize. Choose from 15 one-touch programs for delicious meals at the touch of a button. The new 10-quart capacity easily fits larger cuts of meat, perfect for entertaining or meal prep. Also enjoy convenient features such as Delay Start and the status bar, which tracks pressurization and preheat progress before cooking begins. For home-cooked meals, fast or slow, let Crock-Pot Express handle the pressure of mealtime.
1829 CSS all-in-one pressure cooker and air fryer combos. It is definitely a new kitchen appliance that contains all the functions you could ever want. The unique patent for the lid, separation technology of our machine determines the features to easily switch and save space. It means whether you want a pressure cooker or air fryer, the only thing you need is to change the lid. The elegant digital LED touch panel of our all-in-one machine includes 22 preset programs. It is super easy to operate, even if you are not a chef. Once you have our machine, you will have the ability to cook a roast chicken, steak, French fries, and everything you want as a super chef. In addition, the safety features are not neglectable. The lid-off protection could guarantee your full safety by cutting off electric automatically if you remove the lid. And once you place it back, the cooking process would continue. What's more, the hollow design of the fried basket determines that the machine is more ventilated than any other brands, which can make the food more evenly heated and taste better.
When considering an air fryer as highly rated as ours, there's only one choice left to make: red, white, or black. Under every coat of paint is the same beautifully designed device, guaranteeing easy meals from start to finish, no matter what color you pick. It even gives helpful hints along the way. Need inspiration? Our chefs created 100 ideas for you and rigorously tested each one to ensure delicious results. Missing summer cookouts? Every entree needs a side. And to top it all off, get recipes of your own. Join the growing Kasori community on Facebook to share and find new food to try. So what are you waiting for? Find out for yourself. Revolutionize your kitchen.
From Wolf Gourmet, the way you cook is about to be revolutionized. Introducing the multifunction cooker. This high-performance appliance can slow cook, sauté, sear, prepare rice, and even sous vide. As a slow cooker, the manual, meal timer, and program modes allow you to plan and cook your meal to achieve precise, delicious results. Because of its intelligent design, the multifunction cooker does the work for you. Pre-program your dish to cook on 2 different temperatures, switching automatically, so you can tend to more important things. Or program your meal to be finished cooking exactly when you're ready to serve it. The option of a temperature probe allows you to cook sauces or meat to an exact temperature. Sauté vegetables or sear a filet, cook 6 to 18 cups of white or brown rice, and sous vide in temperature-controlled water for precise results. With the Wolf Gourmet Multifunction Cooker, you can create a culinary masterpiece with confidence. More precise control means more delicious meals every time.